calorie deficit. Boom. Let's do it. Past week, wanted to try eating in a calorie deficit most days. So I'm guessing they want to lose some weight. Maintenance calories, 1660. So 1160 is what it said to lose a pound a week. I'm only 5'2". Some days I ate 1600 to 1700. Other days I ate 11 to 12. Recently read it's not good to only eat 1200 calories. Since I'm eating at maintenance some days, is it okay to eat 1100 other days? I'm so tired of being overweight. Yeah. So, 5'2". Okay. So first thing, this person's 5'2". I'm guessing they're a female because that's a pretty low amount of calories. And usually, even if you're a male, you would be supposed to eating more calories based off a calorie calculator. So that's the first thing. Females don't need as many calories as males. They don't have as much muscle mass. They don't have as much mass, period. They're not as big, and mass equals more calories burned. So that's the first thing. If you're quote unquote reading something where it says you're not supposed to eat that low because it's bad for you, you're a female, and honestly, a female who's 5'2" and maybe doesn't have the most vigorous of a physical activity program, cutting back to 1100, it's low, but it's not out of the realm of possibilities. You're starting at 16 to 1700. What I would do is just to not go back to 500 right away. I would only cut back to maybe 300 calories. So try like 13 to 1400 calories a day. For example, if you're somebody just trying to lose weight at all, I would always start with just a couple hundred calories, because there's a chance that number that it spit you out is actually not quite incorrect. Or not quite correct for you. So I would not torture yourself right away, cut back a little bit, and maybe you're gonna start losing a pound a week only eating 200 to 300 calories less, because that estimate overshot how many calories you needed to lose. Maybe you actually burn more than you thought. Great, that's awesome. So they're tired of being overweight. Everybody says you should eat in calorie deficit. So yeah, it's really going to come down to that. Diet's crucial, but let's look at your workout routine. There's nothing on workout routines. So doing resistance training routines that's going to build some muscle will allow you to naturally burn more calories at rest than if you didn't have that muscle on your body. So that's going to be very helpful. Also, lifting weights can kind of curb your appetite a little bit. Doing some cardio is okay, but realize that spending hours on the treadmill isn't really gonna do. Yes, you will burn extra calories and lose weight, but your body will start to compensate very rapidly. Lifting weights, not quite the same, and lifting weights will also make your body composition look better. So you might not need to lose as much weight to look as good, as if you didn't have that muscle and still tried to lose the weight.